Are we about to make new all-time highs on Bitcoin? As you can see, Bitcoin made its highest weekly close last week. And you have the ETF net flows making higher highs. Let's give you now our market views on the current price of Bitcoin and where we think we're heading next. Alright guys, before we get started, if you like our content, please like this video and follow us on our channel. That will really help us. Thanks for your support. Now, as you can see, the fear and greed index is still relatively high. We can also see that the asset managers have been increasing their positions into Bitcoin. And we can now see that they hold over $125 billion worth of Bitcoin. We also have the Bitcoin whale that has increased his positions into a Bitcoin long on Hyperliquid. He's partially took profit 28 minutes ago and is now holding on to a long position above $240 million on Bitcoin. Now we've had the stock market that perfectly digested the Moody's news last Friday with yesterday's session. We managed to reclaim the lows of the day, and we've seen a nice increase in the Dow and the Nasdaq. Now let's try and have a look at the future market this morning. The futures are slightly red this morning. I reckon that the market is waiting for the outcome of the discussions between Russia and Ukraine about a potential ceasefire. Something I would be worrying about the market that worries me today is the situation in Japan. You can see that the JGB futures are making all-time lows. This is the Japanese government bonds, and if you look at the rates, they're blowing up since the beginning of the year, that you can see here. Now, what's the situation on Bitcoin? Bitcoin is still stuck between the range lows here and the range highs up here. If you have a look, we've had some very short-lived momentum for Bitcoin above this 106 level. Here and also here. What I would love to see is a strong breakout of this level to come and hit the swing highs. And if we get this, I reckon that there's no reason why we couldn't see new all-time highs on Bitcoin in the coming days, with the institutionals supporting this strong momentum at the moment. For us to get a potential altcoin season, I would like to see ETH come back above this level, which was around the $3,000 mark zone. Why this zone? If I come down on here, on this period, you could see that this low didn't hold, and this was the zone that held before the downtrend on ETH, and it's also a support zone that we had back around here. We would also need to see the Bitcoin dominance make a lower low. So we've had our higher low, our lower low here. We've had our lower high, and now we would need to see it make a lower low here to talk about any signs of altcoin seasons. When I look at the spaghetti map, I can see that there's been a lot of meme coins on Solana that have are currently outperforming in the last couple of days. You also got to keep in mind that Trump is hosting a dinner for his Trump token holders next Thursday. And I reckon we can see some volatility around this coin coming Thursday. Are we going to take out these levels here around the $20 mark before retrenching and coming back down? This could maybe offer us a perfect short possibility. Where would I be looking for shorts on here? I would take these lows here, and I would take also this level here. Give me anything into this zone and then come back down. This is where I would be taking my short position with a tight stop above here. You also got to keep in mind that Justin Sun will be attending the dinner with over $14 million worth of Trump tokens. I also want to keep an eye on the WLFI token, as Justin Sun helped raise nearly $600 million on the WLFI token. I think we could get a really good, nice announcement on this token, maybe at the dinner. Look at that beautiful increase. I think Justin Sun invested around this period here, end of November, and then helped the Trump project ever since raise capital. Alright guys, just to finish off the video, give us a sharp spike above these swing range highs, then make a lower high. This for me would be a perfect entry for a swing short position with a tight stop. That would look like something like this. And we would be targeting our 21 weekly moving average, which is around the 93k mark. That gives us a perfect setup with over a 2.63 hour trade. If we get a pullback before making higher highs, I'll be looking to bid this level if it holds. So give me something like this, chop, come and sharply take this level here and then reclaim. That's my trigger here to go long. With a stop at the lows and aiming for new all-time highs. That for me would be the perfect setup. Alright guys, I'm looking forward to what's to come in the following days with the outcome on the Russia and Ukraine conflict, but also the Trump hosting his dinner party on Thursday. And I reckon we're going to have some swings in the market in the coming days and weeks. I mean, let's just have a quick look at the VIX, which has declined. Yeah, I reckon we're about to have a regain of volatility in the coming days. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if we get something like this, with a few more surprises with what's come in Japan and on the situation in Japan and also in Eastern Europe. Okay guys, time to peace out. And before I go, don't forget that none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research.